Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? It's Silver Husky doing an unboxing today. This really cool piece came from a gentleman named Joseph Baxter. And Joseph Baxter is a Instagram personality who just is a really nice guy. Had an amazing giveaway where he gave away, I don't know, it must have been like 10-15 ounces of silver. A lot of really cool pieces. So we're gonna see what's in this one here today. Just wanted to really quickly highlight this awesome case knife. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with case knives. They're classics. This one was a gift from a guy at a pawn shop. I asked him if he had any silver that he wanted to sell. He looked at me, he said, nope. And he asked me, do you know what silver's doing right now? And I said, yeah, it's about to go up. And he said, yeah, I haven't sold silver in a very long time. I'm hanging on to it and I'm sitting on it until it does something amazing. So totally related with the guy. We had a great conversation. I ended up telling him that one of my sons, I want to get him a knife. And he hands me this and he says, take it, it's yours. And I was like, what? So, you know, it's not often you go to a pawn shop and somebody gives you a classic case knife and doesn't ask for anything in return. Actually, what he said is next time you're around, bring me a coin. And I said, all right. Only problem is he's all the way in Texarkana, Texas. So I don't really have a means to get there. So instead, I sent him one. I got his business card. Really cool guy. His name's Vaughn. And yeah, if you guys are ever out in Texarkana, go check him out. Real quick plug for Vaughn. Here's his business card, and he is at Pawn Express right in Texarkana. So if any of you guys are out there in Arkansas by the Texas border, go check him out. Tell him Silver Husky sent you. YouTube guy that he gave a knife to, and again, he doesn't have any silver for sale, but he does have some really cool guns and some other stuff. Awesome knives. He will sell you those. So I'm gonna use this knife to open up this package from Joseph Baxter, and I'm going to actually put his link in the comments below, or in the description section. His link to his Instagram page, because I don't think he has a YouTube page, but. Here we go. Give me 1 second. I'm going to go ahead and cut it open. All right. So really awesome packaging with really cool little skull and crossbones stickers. I like those. But yeah, it was actually packaged so well. So let's, before we get into that, it's obviously a slabbed piece. But there were some stickers. So let's see what we got. Ooh, this is a nice iridescent one. And yeah, it's his... This is his Instagram, so check him out. It's kind of hard to see because it's so shiny. BAXJOSEPH.COINS. How cool is that? Buy, sell, and trade. Definitely check him out. And here's one that's non-iridescent, much easier to see. I should have just showed you that one, but actually I like that iridescent one way better. It almost looks like toning. So cool stickers. I really like them. But yeah, all right. So there's that. Check him out. He's awesome. And let's see what this giveaway was for. Oh, here we go. PCGS slabs. Gosh, that's pretty. Pretty. MS70 2020. He gave me a perfect condition American Silver Eagle, a 2020. This one's from, this wouldn't be the Philadelphia. It's not the emergency issued ones. But these are so cool, and you know, this is the very first 2020 that I own. I have a bunch from all the different years. I actually have a bunch from 1986, the first year of issue. But this is my first from 2020, and it's a perfect condition one, so it's beautiful, and I can't say thank you enough. I think the best way to say thank you to him is just to tell you guys how awesome he is, and tell you guys to please go subscribe him. Buy something off his channel, and of course, if he does any other giveaways, you want to jump in on them, because this guy does not play around. He gives away some of the coolest things, but of course, you're not in it for the giveaways. You're in there to support the community and the growth. So yeah, anyways, he's awesome. Go check him out. BAXJOSEPH, and of course, if you guys are ever in Texarkana, make sure you check out Vaughn Brooks up at Pawn Express. All right, guys, see you later.